Did you know peacocks are more than just stunning feathers? Peacocks are known for their iridescent tails, which can span up to 6 feet. Only male peafowls are called peacocks. Females are peahens. Peacocks can fly despite their long tails. They often roost in trees at night. Peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka, symbolizing beauty and pride. In the wild, peacocks are omnivores, eating plants, insects, and small creatures. Next time you see a peacock, remember there's more to them than meets the eye. Like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.